Hey, this is Learning Swedish, and this is our third video. It's our first video with Henrik. And I asked Henrik, I said, Henrik, what do you want to say? He wants to shoot a video. What do you want to say?
I love you and I click you.
I love you. Okay, well, let's do
I love you and I click you.
I don't know that second part. Um, but I love you is a wonderful saying. It's one of the best. It's one of the best, don't you think? Uh, so, do you know how to say it in Swedish?
Yes.
How do you say it in Swedish?
Älskar.
Älskar dig. Jag älskar dig. Exactly right.
And bye bye.
Wait, hold on one sec. I want to show our listeners. I want to show our listeners that we have saved it, the I love you, and that we're going to say it correctly. Okay? Jag älskar dig.
Jag älskar dig.
Jag älskar dig.
Jag älskar dig.
I love you. Jag älskar dig. This says dig, but it's day. I wonder why. Oh,
Jag älskar dig.
jag älskar dig. Jag älskar dig.
I love you and I click you.
I love you. And in Swedish, how do you say it?
I love you and I click
Jag
you.
älskar dig. Jag älskar
And
dig.
bye bye and goodbye.
And hey då. We say hey då.
Hey då.
So then we'll press this button. Hey, hey då. Hey, hey.